Welcome back. Let's take a quick look at today's top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We will start with we'll start with Lido DAO, and then we will continue with Near Protocol, Cronos, ApeCoin, Algorand, Quant, Filecoin, Hedera, VeChain, and then we'll end with Internet Computer at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Lido DAO against BTC. Yep, here we are. There's a rally. Okay, today BTC was actually dropping today, but Lido is not. Lido is rising. But again, I just don't see the chart pattern yet. I'm not so sure what we're gonna get. But yeah, LDO BTC doesn't look like there's anything, right? So LDO against USDT, we're slowly rising. I hope we don't take this out though. To be honest, I really do hope that we form a very nice resistance line over here. We drop a little bit lower, and then we get an ascending triangle. Oh, this would be sweet. This would be absolutely sweet. And then you could see Lido DAO go parabolic. Hopefully. But we need to see this happening, right? We need to see the dip come in. It has to dip. It can't just be going up. We can't be going up forever. And every time we rise, there will always be a dip eventually. It's just that hopefully we get a very nice lower high, right? And this will set up a very high quality potential bullish chart pattern. But again, it's up to the wheels of Lido DAO. If they do want to form a very nice ascending, then hey, everybody could consider putting on a trade for it. But until we see it, yeah, we can't be rushing into anything. Near against BTC. Okay, so this is Near Protocol. Are we out of the woods yet? I'm not too sure. The rally is very weak though, so I suspect there could still be another wave lower, right? This whole thing could really be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves down potentially, but again, I just don't have any targets for Near BTC, not at this point of time. Near against USDT. Yeah, for the targets that we have, we've hit all targets for Near USDT, and hopefully we'll get some sort of a bullish chart pattern over here. But yeah, it's still too early to tell, so we're gonna have to be patient. Excuse me. Cronos against BTC. Excuse me, I just had my lunch. Cronos against BTC. Shall we take a look at it on KuCoin? Yes, we shall. Cronos against BTC. Aha, we still have 2 targets towards the downside. 2830 and 2400. I expect big things to come on for Cronos eventually, because my assumption is that this will eventually be a wave C. And then once wave C is done, we're going to see a D, E, and then that's it. We go parabolic for crypto.com coin. Cronos is called Cronos right now, right? So yeah, I expect big things to come on for Cronos. But the only question I have is how much longer do we have to wait? But yeah, I think crypto.com is going to do very well, especially against BTC. You can see it on the BTC chart. However, for the USD chart, it's just not that obvious, right? We still have a target over here though, 4.5 cents. So another dip lower, take out 4.5 cents before seeing some sort of a reversal. I'm not so sure. I feel like the trade for crypto.com coin is actually on the BTC pair, not on the USD pair. You can actually trade the USD pair, but you will have to refer to the BTC pair. I feel like the party is in CRO BTC, not CRO USD. So if any trade were to be taken, it will be based on the BTC pair. But again, I still feel that it's still too early. The end is not too far away, in my opinion. It's not too far away, and yeah, hopefully it comes sooner rather than later. ApeCoin against BTC. BTC, yeah, we are consolidating. I like what we're seeing. My hope is that we don't take out these lows, right? We don't take out these lows. We also do not take out these highs, right? We just drop a little bit. I think we could take out these lows. This will be awesome. Why would I say this is awesome? Yeah, because this will be a very nice setup for a symmetrical triangle. And then Ape could go para for BTC, right? But again, it's still too early to tell. We're going sideways, which is good. We want to see sideways movement. This is accumulation. And also another thing is that even if we do fall lower, I suspect, this is good. Why? Because this could be an ABC kind of a chart pattern. So in my opinion, at this point of time, I still think it's too early to be calling anything. I just don't see the chart pattern yet. Of course, we could just suddenly start going para from here, but at this point of time, yeah, I still just don't see it yet. So, you know, because we could still get mountain ranges, right? Get a descending triangle. We could still collapse lower for Ape against BTC, right? So the danger is still there. I just don't see the bullish reversal yet. Not yet. Eventually, hopefully, but yeah, not yet. Not at the moment. Algorand against BTC. Here we are, Algo BTC. Yeah, for Algo, we still have another target over here. 714, but 1002. Are we done yet for Algo BTC? Doesn't look like it. I still think that we're going to head lower to 714. Algo against USDT. We are, yeah, again, I don't have any targets for Algo USDT, but then I like what I see because I feel like this could be the completion of A, B, C, D, E. Boom! Awesome. This will be awesome. Yeah, so the thing is that what are we gonna get here, right? Are we gonna take out these lows? I don't know. Do I have any targets? No, I have 0 targets, 0 chart pattern. So yeah, I can't tell exactly what the Algorand wheels are doing. So again, I can't be taking trades on Algorand until I see the reversal come in first. I can't be doing anything. I just don't see it yet, not at this point of time. So yeah, nothing much that we can do. We just move on. There are plenty of other trades out there. Quant against BTC, we're above the skinny pink line, so we would be anticipating the bullish trend to continue. If anything, this is a wave 1. Wave 2, wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. There you go. I think that there could be more upside to come for Quant. Don't see it yet. So yeah, we have to be very, very careful. Reason being that Quant could still head towards the support line, and we could still head lower to less than $100. Double digits again. We're at 138. There's no saying that we can't drop to double digits. But again, both the pairs USD and BTC, they are above the skinny pink line. So this is bullish. Hopefully we stay above the skinny pink line. Any dip comes, small dip, we start rallying and we consolidate over here. Then, ladies and gentlemen, this could be a wave 2. This whole thing is a wave 1, wave 2, and then we get a wave 3. Okay, this will be great. But yeah, again, like I was saying, we're not out of the woods yet. And yeah, I just don't see the tradable chart pattern for Quant. Not bullishly and not bearishly. Not yet. Eventually, hopefully, but yeah, not yet. Filecoin against BTC. Here we are, Filecoin BTC. Yeah, I don't like this. Why? It's a very nice support line. So if anything, yeah, we could still head lower, right? But this is good. Why this is good? Right, because there was a very nice support line here. Right, support line once broken becomes a resistance line. We've been hitting the resistance line, and it's only a matter of time before we break back up above the resistance line. However, we might come back down. And you know, we'll have to retest it, knock a few times, and after that it breaks, right? So yeah, but of course we could just break from here. But in terms of our tradability, I just don't see the chart pattern for Filecoin against BTC yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, right? And Filecoin is this is a new all-time low. Who's to say that we can't drop even lower, right? To find another new low. But Filecoin definitely has the future, and we are interested to put on a trade for Filecoin, but we need to see the chart pattern first. I just don't see it yet. You know, this whole thing could be 3 waves down as well, right? This whole thing could be a right? And we get a B, C, D, E, and then we break up in 2024, right? So yeah, we're still under the skinny pink line, and we are severely oversold. Yeah, like I was saying, I think it's only a matter of time before we break higher, but we need to get our timing right. Filecoin against USDT. Yeah, we still have a target over here, $2.40. I would still anticipate more downside to come for Filecoin against USDT. Of course, I could be wrong, and of course, this could already be it, right? And yeah, I would prefer it if we rose higher towards the skinny pink line, take out the highs over here, invalidate this target, and then after that we come back down. And this whole thing could be a very nice, again, very nice setup, right? A, B, C, D, E kind of a setup. Boom! We break higher for Filecoin against USDT. Best case scenario. I mean, of course, we could also drop from here. We could also drop from here. And this could also be a very nice, I don't know, ascending triangle or a 5-wave. The thing is that it's still too early for us to tell, right? If this thing if this is the whole chart pattern, right? We're not even halfway there yet. There's still a long way to go. So we just don't know, yeah, how this is going to look like. The only way that for us to know is we need to wait for time, further time, to reveal it to us bit by bit, week by week, month by month. And once it is like 80-90% done, be like, okay, this is what it's looking, like. And then maybe we could take a trade for it if it is something of higher quality, right, compared to the others, right? Because we can't be trading everything. We will only have to be, we only have so much money, so we have to be very selective with the coins that we go in. And if it is a high quality chart pattern, then great, we'll make a move for it. If it is not a high quality chart pattern, we're not going to make a move for it. If there's nothing, then that's just too bad for us. We'll just have to be patient, and we'll have to wait for the whales to bless us with something of a higher quality. HBAR against BTC. So for HBAR BTC, we're still expecting it to potentially drop lower. However, HBAR BTC could be on its way up, right? We've been testing the skinny pink line. It feels like HBAR is looking to break above the skinny pink line, right? For real, for good. And then if we retrace and we stay above the skinny pink line and continue higher, the skinny pink line is going to start curving back up. Do you see that? And then, this whole thing could be a very nice, ta-da! Can you see it? A, B, C, D, E, right? Very nice squeeze coming on. Potentially, right? But again, we have to take things one step at a time. We don't see it yet. We could still head much lower. So being very, very cautious about rushing to anything too soon for HBAR, BTC, HBAR, USDT. We're at the skinny pink line, right? Are we getting a right shoulder over here? Are we going to be breaking out of the skinny pink line? We don't know. Could we be heading back down for a wave C? Or maybe an ascending triangle over here? Ooh, this would be sweet. Right. Value 1, value 2, value 3, breakout. So the things that, again, like I was saying, we don't know what's going to happen yet. The chart pattern isn't, maybe you can consider it as nearly halfway there, but we still don't know how this looks like. So we have to be patient. We have to wait for the whales to do their thing, right? We've already run out of downside targets. Again, at the same time, there's also this scary thing happening over here. We could be getting, even if we do rally out from here, I fear that we could be getting a very big descending triangle. And we could be heading much lower for HBAR against USDT. Absolutely possible. So you gotta be very, very careful. I just don't see the trade yet. Maybe then inverse head and shoulders, but I'm not too sure myself. HBAR. Let me just go back to HBAR BTC. I think we could be getting an inverse head and shoulders. And this is just gone. Right. Because we already have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we disregard this, right? It's already 5 waves done. But we're still under the skinny pink line. So again, we are going to respect the skinny pink line. I'm aware that there's a possibility that this could be the right shoulder, but we are still respecting the skinny pink line at this point of time. If we just do something like this, and if it is a very obvious right shoulder, then we'll probably be taking a trade for it. But we'll see. We'll come back next week and then we'll see how it goes, right? VeChain, yes sir, VET against BTC. So for VeChain against BTC, here we are, curving back up, hopefully, but I don't like this though. This is a very flat support line, right? We could still come back down, descending triangle, we could still hit lower for VET against BTC. There's no saying that VET is going to spike up from here. So it's just not clear for me yet. VET, I think VET might have more downside. No, it's the same thing. Where is this? 2018, 10th of August, right? 2018, same thing. It's the same freaking thing. So I just don't see it yet. And again, like I was saying, this could be a descending triangle, and we could be heading much lower. It's absolutely possible. So I need to be very careful because the rallies have been pretty weak for VET against BTC. I mean, it'll be awesome if we break higher, right? And then we get inverse head and shoulders over here. We continue higher. This would be brilliant, but we don't see it yet. So we're gonna take it one step at a time, right? VET against USDT. We're about to take out the highs over here. The moment we take out those highs, we are gonna consider this as an invalidation, and then hopefully, VeChain gets a right. Like I was saying, I hope that we rise up a little bit, take out the highs over here, do a peekaboo, come back down, and then we get a very nice squeeze, right? Or we break out, we get a very nice inverse head and shoulders. Wow, this would be awesome. Yeah, but again, I still can't say for sure at this point of time. I just don't see the trade yet. So again, we have to be very, very careful about rushing into anything for VeChain. But this is very encouraging, right? To see a rally. You can see that this rally is actually longer than this rally, right? It keeps getting larger and larger. This rally was like 67%. This rallies are probably in the 70s, I'm guessing. Yeah, 72 roughly. So I feel like it's increasing, which is good. Which is good, right? When we are falling, we're falling very slowly. But when we are rising, okay, it's not exactly that fast, but yeah. But anyway, we're still under the significant incline, so we have to respect the bearish trend because we could still continue with the bearish trend. And then, like I was saying, the best bullish case scenario is we get a very nice squeeze over here. We continue higher. Right, although we still have a target over here, so if we don't take out the highs over here, we may still continue down towards 1.23 cents. So yeah, we're not really out of the woods for VeChain yet. Internet computer, ICP against BTC. We are where we ICP. So ICP, we're already out of targets. But again, who's to say that we can't get a descending triangle over here, right? We could still head lower. No guarantees that we're going to reverse from here, but it would be great if we don't, fall too far and we just come back up, right? Yeah, get some sort of a bullish reversal, right? Some buying pressure would be great for internet computer, but yeah, I just don't see it yet. ICP against USDT, $3.30. So I feel like yeah, this would be great. This would be sweet, right? 5 waves breakout. This would be awesome for ICP, but again, we just don't see it yet. So it's very difficult for us to, put out a trade for ICP at this point of time. It's just very difficult. So yeah, and we're still under the significant incline. So the bearish trend is actually still on. We're not really, again, out of the woods yet. Only the AI coins, right? The AI narrative. AI coins are out. No other coin. I mean, not no other coins, but it's just an outlier. Again, I would like to remind you that if you look at the total crypto market caps, right, total 2, which is all the altcoins except Bitcoin, we're still not out of the woods yet, and we still have a 320 billion target over here, and we're still expecting a potential, again, descending triangle. We could still be heading much lower for total 2. So yeah, I mean, of course, if we don't head lower, we get a very nice falling channel over here. Yeah, so this whole thing could be a wave E, right? A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. This will be awesome. But yeah, I can't say for sure though. So yeah, again, I just don't see it yet. Even if we were to pull this out, right? Are we at the 0.382? Yeah, we're not even at the 0.382 yet. Right, so if anything, maybe if we don't, okay, let's assume that we don't have this target, right? We still have to take out these lows, these 2 lows over here before heading any higher, because it's just too, mountainish for me. It's just too mountainish. This is a mountain, and the whales did not take out these lows. So altcoins, in my opinion, still has more downside, right? If, like, for example, the AI coins are rising, but as a whole, all the other coins are not really, flying yet. Usually when, price rise, real true money coming in, you'll be able to see the volume rise. But the volume is not rising yet. We're still, still insignificant, I would say. Not saying we can't rise because there's no volume, but where are the buyers? Yeah, it's just not there yet, because I feel like there could still be a little bit more downside, right? Again, we may not hit 320B. We may just hit a little bit, maybe sub 400B, and after that, we start reversing, right? And this would complete the 5 waves down, right? Sub 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We reverse back up. Best bullish case scenario. But again, we still respect the target because we still have a target over here. We're still under the skinny pink line. We respect the skinny pink line. We're still buyers bearish, and yeah, we still expect more downside. Of course, outliers are they're still outliers. I mean, they are, what do you call it? Yeah, they are rare cookies, but as a whole, no, we're still bearish as a whole. And yeah, there we go. Stay safe. You know, it'll be a big shock to the market if we continue dropping lower past 400 billion. We're almost at 600 billion right now. But again, the skinny pink line is acting as a powerful resistance right now. So yeah, there you freaking go. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next daily. Right, see you. Ta-da.